Greetings to all, my name is Emily and I have been actively engaged in trading for 3 years, sharing my knowledge with you, my subscribers. My win rate is close to 89% and the number of transactions I make daily already exceeded 10,000. Today I have prepared something special for you, a secret strategy that has helped me achieve such impressive results. Get ready, I will reveal all the details of this strategy. By the way, if you are looking for information about trading for beginners and beyond, take a look at my Telegram channel. There you will find bonuses for trading, working strategies, signals and much more. See you in the channel. Friends, before we go to the analysis of my strategy, I advise you to watch my previous videos. In them, I share other methods that will help you improve your trading results. Friends, today I will share a super strategy that will help you significantly increase your balance. This strategy is incredibly simple and profitable. To apply it, I use two indicators, Keltner channel and rate of change. It's easy to analyze the chart. If the yellow line moves in the same direction as the blue one, for example up, this is a signal to open a trade for an increase. If the yellow line goes down, it's a signal to go down. Also, the yellow line of the indicator rises above the zero value and moves up. This is an additional signal for an increase. For a better understanding, I will demonstrate and explain everything using a specific example. In order for your strategy to work, you need to set the same settings as mine. First, we put type candles in the chart, set timeframes to 30 minutes, then turn on two indicators, Keltner channel and rate of change. You can see the settings of this indicator on the screen. We set the currency pair, the transaction time is 30 seconds. Now let's move on to transactions. I immediately opened the first trade for an increase of $55 as I noticed the beginning of upward trend and the indicator line has risen above the zero mark. Today my balance is small, so everyone can repeat my success. So the first transaction is completed and my balance has increased to $105. For the second deal, I choose the amount of $105. Analyzing the chart, I open a deal to increase as I observe a pullback of the bearish candle and weak adjustments on the currency pair. I'm often asked which platform I trade on. The answer is simple. I use the Pocket option. The platform offers reliable and secure trading with fast withdrawals, transparent transactions and high returns. I fully trust Pocket option and I'm ready to recommend it to you. Subscribe to my Telegram channel to receive the latest news, strategies and bonuses for trading. The last transaction was completed as successfully as the previous ones. Now my balance is $202. This is an excellent and fast result. The third deal is on the way and on the chart I see a sharp downward reversal of the chart, the flexibility of the trend, and this is our signal to go down. We open a deal in the amount of $150. As I said, the transaction was completed successfully and my balance is $340 and I'm moving on to the next transaction. And now the last deal. We look at the chart and see the same small reversal of the chart, its strong flexibility and the general beginning upward trend. We open a deal to increase by $300. The transaction is completed, the balance is added. Great, we have $616 on our balance sheet. A good result for such an easy strategy. To earn as much as I do, you don't need special knowledge or large investments. The right strategy and understanding of its application are important. Please like and follow the new videos on my channel. And don't forget that there are many more proven strategies waiting for you in the following videos. Before saying goodbye, let me remind you about my free Telegram channel. In it, I share secret strategies for successful earnings on binary options. Bonuses and useful trading tips are waiting for you. All this is absolutely free for my subscribers. Do not miss the opportunity to increase your income. Click on the link in the description and join us. We are waiting for you.